Good morning from Wailing. It's ready to shut down. Today I'm just trying to back on the track. Good morning from Wailing. Today I'm just planning to do interval runs. Speed session they call it. 15 minutes, kind of easy run. Then 4 times 400 meter on the 4-minute pace, followed by 4 times 1 kilometer 4-minute pace, and end up with today's interval doing with my young one. Is he gonna do it? We don't know. I don't know it. Let's see.
O bana şey demişti burada.
Good morning from Denson Park. Yes, plan. Today's interval session. Past interval session. Whew, after 3 months. Let's see, it's gonna break me or I'm gonna break it. Let's see. 15 minutes and then followed by 400 meter times 4 and followed by 4 times 1 kilometer and followed by 15 minutes back home, and that should drag me around 12 kilometer. Let's see. Stop! Good morning from Denson Park, Wailing. Now final segment of the workout. Heading home. It's gonna drag me 15 minutes. So as planned, today was 15 minutes easy run, 400 minutes, 400 meter times 4, followed by 1 kilometer times 4, And now final segment, 15 minutes, easy one, heading home. So far so good. I think first half 15 minutes and 400 meter times 4. I did is plan on the 4-minute pace, but 1 kilometer times 4, I don't think I did manage. Let's see you later.